Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this wireless HDMI extender for reviewing purposes. It's a receiver and transmitter system, so you can extend wirelessly your screen with a HDMI port onto your laptop, your console, or your TV, projector, any kind of screen that you need. As I've said, it comes the receiver, the transmitter, and we also get some other accessories that can come handy to the connection. Okay, to use them, we're going to use these USB-A to Type-C cables so they get powered on the transmitter receiver, some adapters in case that we need them, and a Type-C to HDMI 4K port, okay? As I've said, in case that we need them, which I think that it's really nice it comes included. We also get all the important information in the manual, how to connect them, every piece of information that we could use, which I think that it's nice. And well, let's go ahead and connect them and see how they look, okay? Come on. Okay, and just like that we can extend our screen, which I think that it's really nice. It's really simple. As you can see, we can still being able to control our computer, which I think that it's excellent. You can just sit at your office to do some kind of presentation, in school if you need it, anywhere that you need it, at your house if you're gonna have a barbecue and you have a projector and you don't want to have your computer outside. You can just plug in this receiver and transmitter and it's ready. As you can see, it's almost just plug and play, which I think that it's excellent. And overall, because it's really nice, it doesn't need any kind of software, it has a simple size and it doesn't take that much space. I think that it's great and I will really recommend it. See you guys.